Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, this one is a beginner friendly glueless wig install, and I'm gonna be switching up the styles up for you guys as well. Let me know what you guys think of the Updo because I'm absolutely feeling it. And if you guys want to see how I install this wig, super easy and beginner friendly, keep on watching. Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick and easy beginner friendly wig install, and we're gonna try and keep this glueless today. It is a glueless wig, but even though wigs are glueless, you can add glue to it if you prefer to, but you can definitely wear this one glueless. Now the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is by Karlami Hair. This is my first time trying out their wigs. Now this is the packaging, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you everything that we have. We have a coupon code as well as a melting band, which is perfect for melting down your wigs, and some alligator clips to clip your hair out of the way. Also 2 HD wig cap, which is a must. Now we're going to get into the wig, and this is the wig, and this is exactly how it looks straight out of the packaging. So I'm just going to remove that. Now this is the hair texture is a body wave, super tight curls, and the wig has butterfly bangs, which I am so here for. It's also a 8x6 closure wig, so it is a glueless wig. It can be worn without any glue whatsoever, and this is what it looks on the inside as well. It also has the combs on the back, which I tend to cut those off because I don't need it. Now the wig also has a drawstring, that way you can tighten it to fit your head perfectly. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this wig on my head just to see how she is looking. And this is a drawstring wig as well. So it does have the drawstring in the back, which is supposed to keep the wig secure. You can just adjust it to your likeness. So if this is how tight you want it, you can have it that tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this wig on my head. And this wig, it also has layers and bangs in it already. Ooh, oh. I want you guys to see how easy it is to apply this wig. So all I did was pull the drawstring and then tuck it under. Okay, so the curls are definitely really tight in this wig. It came with the curls already tight, and obviously I'm going to loosen them up a bit. Now this is how the wig is looking on my head. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to clip the bangs out of the way just so you guys can see the actual lace. So the lace, it's a 8x6 closure, 6 inches across and then 8 deep, which is a pretty good amount of parting room. And then this part goes over the ear like so that way it's not sitting on top of my ear. I really like that feature on the wig. Now clearly my wig does not look or feel very centered right now, and we want to make sure that it is. Now as for the lace, I definitely have to tint it because it is a little bit light, so I'm gonna have to go in and tint that lace. All right, first things first, I'm gonna go in with a little wax stick. I don't want to use a lot of it because I don't want the hair to look greasy at all, and sometimes wax sticks can tend to do that, so don't go too crazy. The one that I use is the S&TE wax stick. I got it on Amazon. It works pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and create like a V-like hairline because that's just the look that I like, and that's just my preference. This is completely optional. You don't have to do this, and I don't exactly like it to be like a super perfect V. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some wig tape just to tape down the sides right here. Then I'm gonna go in with some melting spray to melt down the lace. I'll be honest with you, I am not the best when it comes to tape application. I'm getting a little better, but practice makes perfect. So I apply it to my skin, and then I pull the wig down onto it to keep it secure. Now that I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut away that lace because there's little parts that I just wanna cut. This lace is already pre-cut for you, so you really don't have to do a lot of cutting. Now I'm gonna go in with my melting spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and melt that into my forehead area. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my Sticky Little Secret melting spray on, and then I'm gonna go in with an elastic band and melt it down. I'm gonna leave my melting band on for about 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and I will be right back. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace, and I like to use a darker shade because I wear bronzer. So I just darken up the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply my contour shade onto it, and I'm also going to go ahead and use a hot comb just to flatten that wig down, keeping the bangs still in shape. I absolutely love the cut and how easy this wig was to style. So again, it's pre-cut lace and pre-bleach knots, and you really don't have to do much to it. The hair is already nicely curled, and I absolutely love the curls on this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna switch up the style a bit as well, because even though it looks great down, I love the bangs in the front. So I was like, this would be perfect for an updo. So I just put some butterfly clips in my hair and just wore it with a updo with the bangs down. And I think this is super, super, super cute. Now let me know what you guys think of this style as well, and let me know what you guys think of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and check out Karlami hair. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching my video.